Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achilia. Our today's topic is Himalaya. So let's start the topics. Himalaya. Himalaya is the Nepali Himalayas great mountain system of the Asia forming a barrier between the plateaus of Tibet to the north and alluvial plain of the India's subcontinents to the south. The Himalayas include the highest mountains in the world, with more than 110 peaks, rising to elevations of 24,000 feet, that is 7,300 meters on the away, or more above to sea level. One of those peaks is Mountain Everest. So that is Tibetan Chomolungma, Chinese Komalengma, Fing, Nepali Sagarmatha, the world's highest with the elevations of 29,032 feet, that is 8,849 meters. She reaches the highest of Mountain Everest. The mountain's high peaks rise into the zone of perpetual snow. For thousands of years in the Himalayas have held to profound significance for the peoples of South Asia, as their literature, mythologies, and religions reflected. Since ancient times, the vast glaciers highest have attracted the attentions of the pilgrims mountains. The mountaineers of Himalaya of India, whose contain the Sanskrit name is Himalaya, for Hima snow, and Alaya is abode or abode. For that great mountain system is in Centoperity times in Himalayas have offered the greatest attractions and the greatest challenge to mountaineers throughout the world. North face of Mountain Everest above the Tibet Autonomous Regions of China. Know your Asia geography cues. Where is Mekong volcano? What roads names meaning Franklin Harbours? The range which from the northern border of the India subcontinent and an almost impassable barrier between it and the lands is north, a part of vast mountain belt that scratches halfway and around the world. The North Africa to Pacific Oceans coast of South Asia. So the Himalayas themselves sketches unitemporarily for the about 1,550 miles, that is 2,500 kilometers from the west to east between. The Nanga Parbat 26,660 feet, that is 126 meters in the Pakistani administrated portions of the Kashmir region, and the Namcha peaks 25,450 feet, that is 7,756 meters. The Tibet of Autonomous Regions of China. The mountains of range to Hindu Kush is the Karakoram, and the north by the highest of the west, that is Palatina of the Tibet. The wilds of the Himalaya for the south to north varies between 125 and 255 miles. There are total amounts to about 23,000 square miles, that is 5,095,000 square kilometer. Through the India, Nepal, and Bhutan have a sovereignty over most of the Himalayas. The Himalayas, Pakistan and China also occurs in part of them in the disputed Kashmir region. The Pakistan has administered to administrative control of the some 32,400 square miles of the range of lying north of the west. The lines control to establish between India and Pakistan in 1972. The China administered some 14,000 square mile in Ladakh region and has climate temporary at the eastern end of the Himalayas. Within the India state of Arunachal Pradesh, those dispute accentuated the boundaries of problems they faced by Indians and Negroirs in the Himalayas regions. So many types of features: physical features, geographical history, your geologic history, and Kailas range. The physical features, the most of characteristic features of the Himalayas are there are soaring heights, step by step side edges to peaks, valley and elephant glenarians obtain these documented signs as the bedrock limited considerable stream historians of geologic landscape and occurs. The Himalayas range is grouped into four parallel logarithmic mountain belts of the varying depth. Geological history. Over the past 65 million years, powerful global planets tectonic forces have moved to Earth crust to form the band and insurance mountains range, including in Himalayas that is sketched from the alpines of mountains of the South Asia. That is cross sections of Himalaya during the Jurassic period about 201 to 145 million years ago. The deep pressure downward the Tethys oceans bounded the entrance southwards to Firangi from the insurance of the excluding the Albanian Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent. During the next 30 million years, Senos, parts of territory oceans gradually drained at its sea bottom was pushed up by the plumbing India-Australia planet. The Kailas range northern sides the Kangurubag peaks mountain in Kailas. In the Kailas range, Trans-Himalaya tribute the autonomous regions in China. Finally, some 20 million years ago during the earlier Maikon epoch, as the Indian subcontinental planet continued to plummet benefit the former stitches, trends the topmost layer of the old Gondwana metamorphic rocks. The crystalline rocks containing new genesis of generic intrusions emerge yet to produce the stratigraphic crust see on today. In some valleys such as Valley of Kashmir and the Kathmandu Valley of the Nepal, lakes formed temporary and filled within the planiceous deposit after drying up some 20,000 years ago. The Kathmandu Valley rose at least 650 feet as indications of localized uplift within the lesser Himalayas. So this is about the Himalayas. So thank you.